Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV coming at you with the billet aluminum ignition cover for the YZ250 from Tusk. So if you're one of the lucky ones cruising around on a YZ250, well, let me start by saying, I envy you. But aside from my envy, if you want to add some cool looks to your bike, that factory look that guys are after, and also some durability and protection at the same time, well, these ignition covers from Tusk are going to be your solution. Now these are made from 6061 T6 billet aircraft grade aluminum, which means they're very strong. Okay, they're going to be stronger than your OEM ignition cover, so it's going to give good impact protection. And also you can see that they have a black anodized finish to them. And that anodized coating is going to keep these things looking good for a very long time. In fact, here at Rocky Mountain, not too long ago, we did a YZ250 build. An employee of ours, he bought a YZ250 in pretty rough shape, and we essentially built the whole bike from the ground up, and we put one of these on there. I think it just gives the bike a really cool look. If you haven't watched that video, well, you should. It's a really cool video, and it's going to give owners of YZ250 some really good ideas for parts and accessories that they can put on their bikes as well. Now, just keep in mind when it comes to mounting with these, okay, they're built to OEM specifications, so you're just going to take your stock cover off, use your stock OEM bolts to put this one on. However, it does not come with a gasket, so when you're picking yours up, I recommend picking up a gasket as well. We offer several here at Rocky Mountain. The way you find those is really simple, along with these ignition covers too. When you're on our website, just enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike. And as you scroll down, you're going to see this ignition cover along with gaskets we offer and all the other machine-specific parts that we carry for your bike. And there it is. That is the billet aluminum ignition cover coming from Tusk. Awesome price point on these. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below, give us a call, chat live online. We'll get your questions answered. And remember to pick yours up. It's real simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com and just use our parts finder. These are going to ship for free. And remember, guys, if you like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, well, just make sure to click subscribe to us on YouTube, and that will keep you up to date. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. See you on the trails.